Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and handy tip for installing custom seat covers. If you've ever tried to remove the seat bottom, you know that getting the seatbelt buckle out can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, we've got a simple solution for you. First, let's locate the seatbelt buckle underneath the seat bottom. This is where the magic happens. Next, take your seatbelt and insert it through the buckle. This will help secure it in place while you work. Now here's the key step. Pull up firmly on the seatbelt. This action will leverage the buckle out of the seat bottom, making it much easier to access. Once the buckle is free, go ahead and reinstall the seat. Make sure to organize the area around the seatbelt hole neatly before you finally release the seatbelt. And that's it. Follow these steps to easily get the seatbelt buckle when installing your new seat cover. This will save you time and a lot of frustration during the installation process. I hope this video helps you out. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car care tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.